Hi guys, so today I'm back with this sad news. Just the reviews which you guys were watching since so many days. My Sheru got attacked by a big cat, and now he's damaged, and means he's hurt. He's in pain. So it was the 13th 09/21, and it happened that he was just sitting besides me. We live in top floor. I don't know how he went down within 5 minutes, and within 5 minutes, neighbors came and they said, "Oh, there your cat is harmed by other cat, big cat. He bit him, your cat. So your cat, the big cat bit your cat." So I like what? He was just sitting side of me. No, he went down. So the guys, keep eye on your cat, and means take care, because what has happened? The cat has bitten Sheru, and now Sheru cannot walk. Normally what happens, the smaller cats try to run the bigger cat, so the bigger cat catches the back portion of the cat, which can damage intestines or legs or this all the back ending end body things, okay, the tail and all those things. So now our Shiru cannot walk, but now I am making this video after 3 days, guys, because I didn't had any mood, and I didn't want to make a video when he is in a damaged condition. So so guys, first we will come to the all the things which doctor gave. Okay, Vedanta Medical Clinic store where I went, and luckily he was open. This happened at 9 p.m. Night, so I was worried if doctor is there or not. Yes, he was there. So you can see left bound, no reflexes was seen. Okay, so in his left leg, no reflexes was seen. Luckily, no inflammatory, means his organs were not damaged. Okay, guys. Finding, so dull and no fever, so those were at least my neighbors saved him, and before getting harm, getting a severe damage. So guys, what to do if your small kitten or cat is bit by a dog or else by a bigger cat? They have habit, the male cat normally bites and dominates the smaller kittens. So guys, and they also give suggested the ice pack for to keep it on his bitten area. Okay, so first medicine is Neurobion. It's a tablet, one tablet day and one tablet a night for 5 days. And this is organo push. For the first 3 days we have to get morning, afternoon, night, and after for next 10 days you have to give it morning, and I can see it's only morning here. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is the thing, guys. So this is the organo push, organo vitalizer, better for health. And what I forgot to tell you that doctor just gave him an injection. Okay, that injection is if there will be any internal bleeding, or that it will stabilize it. So that's the most important injection, and it will neutralize any virus from the other cat's mouth. So that's the main injections. After that, these two. One tablet, one syrup, and ice pack to keep it on the wounded area. So guys, this is the Neurobio. Okay, guys, as I said, I'm doing this about 3 days. So you can see there are two missing tablets because I gave it in food. He is not eating it, guys. He ate it half. So I cannot do the justice of one tablet once a day. So I will tell you guys how to cope on it. So guys, this is the bottle of organ neuter. This only cost, I guess, 130 rupees. But yeah, his total medical what do you say consultation was around 350 rupees with the injection included, and this are the 350, and this is something, I guess, sorry, this is 130, and this is the remaining total 500 rupees costed. So guys, as per doctor, what we have to do is that to feed what we say this syrup, it should only be given 2 ml, guys. So I brought a 2 ml injection also. So this is 2 ml injection. So what you have to do is take 2 ml from this, crush the tablet, put into this cap was over this, okay, and then mix the both syrup and tablet, and then you give. What happens that if you will give in the food, it happens that it does not eat the food completely, or else it if the taste is bad, it does not eat the food, or else means it happens that the medicinal food which we mix the food with which we mix the medicine, it is remain at the bottom, and we he doesn't eat that. We pour new food, then only the upper food is eaten by him. So guys, for I will say you guys, for the first 2 days he was not even eating food correctly. His dose was like gravy, I will say 2-3 packets per day. He was not able to eat one single packet a day for first 2 days, guys. He used to eat only half Whiskas gravy packet and the small one, 35 rupees one, only that per day. So that was depressing. And now, guys, you can see in his feeder here, he also didn't used to drink water, guys. So now he is drinking water as well as dry food also. First he was I gave him only liquid food, guys. So, guys, few more things which I have listed down is that first I will call you Shiru. I will show you how is he able to walk or not. If he comes, then it's good. Else, guys, as you know, I have already done temptation reviews and I prefer the natural treat, but it's costly and maybe you can get or not. Shiru. So, guys, he's seeing this medicine, so he will not come. Right, this is the recovery after Shiru. You can see he is now able to walk, but you can see the difficulty of his walk. So, guys, please take care of your cat, man. They should not get damaged in like that. Okay, guys, so in short I will come to my pointers. So first thing is that if there is an organ damage, he will his urine will be of brown color. Okay, so the color due to the medicines can turn to light pink, but if brown, then his organ may be damaged. Till 10 months kitten don't learn to fight back to the big cats or dogs. Ice pack is important for the injured part. Haldi, coconut and oil. If you will see, if his leg, if you feel that his leg is paralyzed and it's difficult for him, you can do a haldi and coconut massage. The what we say, the medicines are for 5 days. Catch, yeah, it normally the cat catches prey from backside. And then the treat. Okay, guys, so this medicine, they don't eat it easily. Okay, guys, I said it cannot be given by food. What you have to do is to feed them by the injection, drop by drop by drop. Okay,